Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve how to fix it's not available on your device. To know how to fix or how to solve it's not available on your device on CapCut, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to CapCut and you can click. Here in this page of app info you will enter to first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.